In this video, I'll show you how to use the Quiz Copilot AI Assistant, your personal helper throughout every step of your quiz building journey in the RevenueHunt app. Getting started, generating a quiz with AI. The first thing you can do with Quiz Copilot is create your first quiz draft automatically. From your dashboard, click Create Your Quiz, Generate with AI. This opens a chat with the Quiz Copilot Assistant, where you can describe the kind of quiz you want. For example, I'll ask, can you create a quiz that helps the user determine their skin type? The assistant will analyze my shop content and catalog, and after a few moments, it will automatically generate a new quiz draft, complete with questions, logic, and scoring. Once it's created, I can click on the new quiz to see what Quiz Copilot built. It added several relevant questions like, how does your skin feel? Or, do you experience breakouts? It even assigned custom scoring variables to each choice, such as dry, oily, or sensitive, to help determine the user's skin type. If I open the results page, I'll see that it also created 5 result sections, one for each skin type. Each section is automatically configured to appear when its variable has the highest score. Adding product recommendations. At this point, the quiz has structure but no product recommendations yet. So I can simply ask Quiz Copilot, can you assign fixed products from my catalog to each result section? The AI will then update the quiz to include real products from my Shopify store, automatically linking them to each result section. When I apply the changes, I'll see that each skin type result now includes specific fixed product recommendations. Styling the quiz. Let's say I want to give my quiz a visual refresh. I can ask, can you make the quiz use shades of green? Quiz Copilot will instantly apply a new color scheme and update the design settings. If I don't like the change, I can always undo it and revert to the previous style. If you want to customize your quiz beyond the built-in design options, Quiz Copilot can help you write custom CSS or JavaScript. For example, can you make the product tiles smaller on the results page? The assistant will write and insert the code automatically in the custom CSS section, which you can review, apply, or revert at any time. Improving your quiz. You can also use Quiz Copilot to improve your quiz. Just open the assistant in your builder and ask something like, how can I improve my quiz engagement? The assistant will analyze your quiz structure, logic, and visuals, then suggest actionable improvements, such as shortening long sections, adding progress indicators, or optimizing product slots. Publishing and documentation. If you're ready to publish your quiz, you can ask, how can I publish my quiz inline on my homepage? Quiz Copilot will give you precise step-by-step instructions, including links to relevant documentation on how to embed your quiz, add it as a pop-up, or share it via a direct link. Creating and styling email templates. Quiz Copilot can even help you with email automations. After you add an email question to your quiz, go to Settings, Emails to Respondents. There, you can activate automatic emails and open the built-in liquid email template. If you want to style it, you can ask something like, can you modernize this email layout? Quiz Copilot will automatically update your email template with inline styles and refreshed formatting. It can also help you generate Klaviyo or OmniSend email templates. For instance, if you ask, can you create a 2-column Klaviyo template for my recommended products? It will generate a ready-to-paste code snippet you can copy directly into your email platform. Analyzing responses. Copilot isn't just for building, it's also great for analyzing quiz results. From your Responses Analysis tab, you can ask it, "Why was this product recommended?" Or, "Why wasn't this product included?" The assistant will review your quiz logic and tell you exactly which rules, votes, or exclusions caused a specific recommendation to appear or not. Quiz Copilot can assist you at every step of your quiz building journey, creating complete quizzes from scratch, linking products, styling designs, building and styling email templates, publishing your quiz, and analyzing quiz results. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.